Now, Meta's latest AI experiment is aimed at something very personal, and this development could be very, very beneficial for any child's sleep cycle. Well, I wish it existed when I was growing up. Anyway, what needs to be done right now is the fact that you need to like, share, subscribe. It is like a lullaby to our ears on front page. Yes, thank you so much for your kind support. Meta is testing an app called Story Kit, which uses AI to generate personalized bedtime stories. Now, parents start by creating a character. The app lets the users snap a photo of their kid's favorite toy or person, for that matter, to bring them to life. Not scary at all. Now, from there, the parent shall describe the setting of the story and pick a life lesson to be woven in. Now, the app then generates a full story with accompanying music. That's nice. There is, of course, no writing involved at all. Story Kit runs on Muse Spark, which is a model from Meta Superintelligence Labs. Right now, Story Kit is only live in limited markets. It was first spotted in Mexico's App Store, which suggests Meta is treating this as a regional trial run before any wider rollout. Okay. A Meta spokesperson said it's built with AI safety filters, has no social features, and is restricted to users 18 and older. Okay? Although the reception for this hasn't exactly been warm. Wonder why? Tech commentators have pointed out that one of the more intimate rituals of parenting is building a child's imagination and a parent's bond with them. Yes, this development could potentially be stripping that away. Not potentially, I think definitely. Anyway, but here is the front page take. I have to give a very balanced take. Many exhausted parents run out of new stories long before their kids run out of demand for them. Fair. And a tool that generates something fresh and personalized in seconds solves an actual nightly problem. But the skepticism is about which parts of parenting people are comfortable automating. And that's the part of this boiling debate, not the technology itself. So here's the question I have for all of you. Is an AI-generated bedtime story just a convenient tool for busy parents? Or does outsourcing that moment change something about it worth protecting? Well, if you are a parent, please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Even if actually you're not a parent, please do let us know. What do you feel about that? Because honestly, testing it in Mexico and anyway, it's got a question mark there. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.